Hello, it's Ivan Villalba here from Elite Surf Coaching. Today I want to show you how to attach the grip to your surfboard in less than 2 minutes. Use the stringer and the plug to find the center. And when you are sure that is the place you like, you present the central piece and be sure where you are going to attach the grip is totally clean. Now is the time to attach the central piece. That piece is the most important because it's the one you are going to use as a guide. I usually like to have one finger space in between, like this. Before I attach the other parts, I always like to double check and be sure that it's the right place, that I like it. I use my finger again to check if it's the right place. And if you are doing a mistake, no worries, because you can remove it and do it again. You can use the finger to be sure that it's the same space than before. If the grip has 5 parts like this one, it's the same process than before. Don't forget to use the stringer for helping you. Last step, press all the areas and work done!